Guys, now I am going to show how to check blood glucose through the Accu-Chek model glucometer. Here I arranged some articles, then I will explain the article's name, then we will go for the demonstration. I will show the article's name. This one, glucometer, Accu-Chek model glucometer. This one, glucose strip. Inside we have the strip. This one, lancet. This is the needle we are using for checking glucose. Alcohol swab. This is for the cleaning purpose. This one, glucometer pen. This is the device, through that only we are checking the glucose. Gas, unsterile gas for the cleaning purpose. This one, lancet box. We have 200 lancet in that box. Disposable gloves. Before all the procedure we need to wear the gloves, that is the must. This one, hand sanitizing gel we are using for the hand rub. So these are the articles we are using for the checking of the glucose. Now we will go for the procedure. Before all the nursing procedure we have to do the hand washing and we have to wear the gloves. So for that purpose I kept hand rub gel and disposable gloves. I am checking for myself, that way I am not wearing this one. So now we will do the procedure. This is our glucometer pen. Through that device only we are going to prick our finger for the checking of the glucose. So here I will show the parts how to dismantle. This one we need to open. We have to fix the lancet here. You have to fix the lancet here, then rotate, remove the cap and fix this one. Here we have the number. Why the number using means, this is the depth of the needle. Okay, according to the patient hand, finger, skin condition we have to change the depth. After fixing this one we have to press back side. After fixing back side you can see the light yellow color. That means we fixed already the needle. Then you have to take the glucometer, take the strip. After taking the strip you have to fix inside. Image coming like this means the machine is ready now. Then now we are going for the cleaning process. With the alcohol swab we are cleaning. After cleaning we have to wait for dry of the alcohol. Once it's dry we can do the procedure. We are pricking in the corner only, not in the center, the side only. After prick, just press it. Then fill it with blood here. So my post lunch is 137. Then with the gas we have to press it. So after that we have to do the documentation. This is our procedure for checking glucose. So now I will show how to remove this one needle inside. Remove the tip and now you can see the needle. Be careful when dealing with the needle. So once finished procedure, just pull it forward, then needle will fall down. So now I am doing with the sharp container. We have the sharp container. Just pull forward, just do forward, it will fall down. So we remove the needle now. Don't pull from here, maybe it will make needle stick injury. So follow the instruction clearly. This is the simple procedure of checking glucose.